Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us discuss about the wonders of animal kingdom, and that we'll discuss about the wonder of camel. Some camel wonder facts are: camels do not store water in their humps. Camels store water in their blood. Camels are not born with a hump on their body. Camels milk is rich in nutrition. Camels can survive up to 50 years. In the in Arabia, in Arabian Peninsula, camels are more. Its meat is tonic and heals jaundice and some diseases and eliminates fever. It is said that the meat of young camel is hard and dry and it is used with ginger and its fat is used to prevention of entering snakes in home. Camels can survive for long periods of time without food or water. They can easily carry an extra 200 pounds and can walk about 20 miles a day through the harsh desert climate. Camels also provide humans with food, milk and meat, and textiles, fiber, and felt from hair. Further, further we'll discuss about the wonders of camel now. Camels are known as the sheep of the desert because of their many wonders, including humps. Camel can store up to 80 pounds of fat in their humps, which they can use for weeks or months when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water at a time. Camels are strong and can carry about 900 pounds for 20 miles a day. Camels can run up to 40 miles per hour, which is as fast as a racehorse. Camels have thick mouths that help them eat thorny bushes. Biodiversity. Camels help with biodiversity by eating a variety of plants, which prevents certain plants from becoming too dominant. Their dropping also help disperse seeds, which helps plants regenerate. Soil health. Plants padded feet prevent soil compaction, which helps preserve desert soils and minimize erosion. Camels reduce competition for resources by requiring less water and eating plants that other livestock can't digest. Camels are used for many purposes, including transporting goods and people, providing milk and their meat, wool and leather. Food security. Camels can provide nourishment in desert ecosystems where other livestock species may not survive. Camel's miracle of the desert. Camels, the animal designed specially to survive in the harshest and environments, the desert. Every single detail of the camel has been carefully designed and constructed to perfection. It is one of the few animals specially mentioned in the Quran. Hey, have they not looked at the camel, how it was created in Quran? It says about numerous anatomical and physical adaptations have allowed the camel to survive in the incredibly harsh environment of the desert. Heat storage within the body of the camel, selective brain cooling for concentrated urine from unique kidneys, adaptation in the respiratory system, special physical features, unique blood consistency, and hormones all serve as important characteristics for the camel in the terms of thermoregulation. The camel actually increases its own body temperature during the scorching heat of the day. That way, it minimizes water loss from evaporations. In the night, it cools its body temperature down 7 degrees Celsius, saving about 5 liters of water this day. This way, to protect the brain from overheating, the camel has an air conditioning system installed. Naturally, the extreme survivor. The camel can survive up to 8 days in 50-degree temperatures without eating or drinking, circumstances that would kill a human in 36 hours. Human cannot live without food and water around 36 hours, but camel can live for up to 8 days. It is usually drinks 4 times in the summer and only one in the winter. Most of the time, the camel is in state of dehydration, but when it gets hydrated, its physiological system quickly adapts to the massive change in body volume. When the camel does find the source of water, it stores it up. Camels can drink up to a third of their body weight of water in 10 minutes, meaning up nearly 130 liters in one go. What is the hump? What is in the hump of the camel? Contrary to common beliefs, the camel does not actually store water in the humps, but they consist of about 40 kg of fat. Concentrating body fat in their humps minimizes heat evaporation and creates an insulation through the rest of their body. When this tissue is metabolized, it acts as a source of energy and yields more than 1 gram of water for each 1 gram of fat converted through reaction with oxygen from air. This process of fat metabolization generates a net loss of water through respiration for the oxygen required to convert the fat. The special features. The camel's red blood cells have an oval shape, unlike those of other mammals with or circular, which are circular. This is to facilitate their flow in a dehydrated state. These cells are also more stable in order to withstand high osmotic variations without rupturing when drinking large amount of water. Wow. The kidneys of the camel, of course, play an important role in water conservation. They have a special shape, being able to produce very concentrated urine and thus increasing water retention. The concentration of the camel's urine is higher than seawater. It resembles syrup in consistency. This also enables the camels to drink salty water without problems. Also, the level of hormones responsible for the water level significantly increases in the dehydrated camel. Most of the food sources in the desert are dry and thorny, so the camel's digestive system has been created according to these harsh conditions. The animal's teeth and lips are constructed to enable to eat even sharp thorns with ease. Its stomach, which has a special design of its own, is strong enough to digest almost all plants found in the desert. How camels survive in sandstorm. The eyelids of a the eyelids of the camel protect the animal's eyes from dust and grains of sand. However, they are also transparent and that enables it to see even with its eyes closed, which would come in handy in the midst of sandstorm. Its long, thick eyelashes are created to prevent dust from getting into the eyes. There is also a special design in the camel's nose. With sandstorm blow, it closes its nostrils with special lids. The nostrils are also designed to reduce loss of water through respiration with a unique cooling system and the nasal passages that are able to absorb water that passes through them. The camel's feet are specially created for the desert so that does not get stuck in the sand even if it's carrying hundreds of kilos loads on its back. The animal's wide toes stop it from sinking in the sand and function just like snowshoes. Its long legs keep its body away from the burning heat of the desert floor. Protection and perfections. The camel's body is covered in thick hard fur. This protects the animals both from the burning rays of the sun by reflecting the hot heat and heat from the desert chills in the night, which can go below zero. Some parts of its body are covered in thick protective layers of skin that comes into contact with the ground even it sits on the scorching sand. This prevents the camel's skin from burning. These thick layers of skin are not calluses that develop over time. The camel is born with them. The equivalent to a human body being born with the thickened skin on the soles of its feet. This special design brings out the perfection of the creation in the camel. The thickness skin cannot be explained by the logic of the theory of evolution that and all its other extraordinary features reveal one evident truth that the camel was specially created by God to him to help man survive in the desert. Camels, camel in Arabic actually comes from the word beauty. Arabs have known the curing effects of camel milk and urine since the time of Prophet Muhammad, who advised to people to use it to treat certain illnesses like liver diseases and rashes. Recently, scientists have proven this to be a fact. Camel milk, on the other hand, is especially beneficial for type 1 diabetics help the digestive system, is cholesterol free, rich in vitamin C, and it even tastes good. So far, we discussed about the miracle of the animal, camel, how it's created. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.